welcome to Litigation Help. My name is Heather Hoyte-Tun. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a free legal research tool called the Civil Procedure and Practice in Ontario, or CPPO for short. This resource provides guidance on Ontario's rules of civil procedure, which are applicable to civil lawsuits at the Ontario Superior Court. It's written in plain English and is intended to help not only lawyers, but self-represented litigants as well. Now, in the past, lawyers have always relied on professional resources to help them apply the rules. So for example, I used the volume by Watson and McGowan from Carswell. It's called Ontario Civil Practice. So for example, you're doing research on Rule 19 on default proceedings. There's a section that talks about the highlights of the rule. And it also, of course, includes the actual text of the rules in bold. And then right underneath the rule, there's usually a section of case law. And the case law is how the courts have interpreted that particular rule. So now these volumes are great. They're super useful for lawyers and litigators. But the thing is, these volumes are not only expensive, they're also written in a way that's not easy to understand for the layperson. So the CPPO is kind of like the free version, the free and plain language version of these volumes. Of course, in the CPPO, the actual text of the rules are also included, along with plain language commentary to help the reader understand the rule. And of course, the CPPO also includes some of the case law that interprets the particular rules. I want to talk a little bit about this project. This project was created and led by Professor Noel Semple at the University of Windsor. And around 135 lawyers also volunteered to the chapters of this volume, and I'm one of them. And also, I don't want to forget, of course, very important to this project are the law students at Windsor who help put together the final volume. So I want to give a huge shout out here to the CPPO team, because without their great efforts, this useful resource would not come into being. So if you want to access this resource, the direct URL is right here. And I'm also going to provide this URL in the description below. And alternatively, you can also just go straight onto CanLII. And in the keyword search, and you can just type in the phrase civil procedure and practice in Ontario in the keyword bar, and that will take you to the volume as well. So of course, it's always easy to start at Google, and then you just type CanLII, and you should take you to CanLII. And then here it is, of course, so you click on CanLII. Right, and then here on the homepage, there's the document text search bar for keyword searches, and then you just type in you just type in civil. Okay, let's try this: procedure and practice, Ontario. These keywords, and let's see what happens. And actually, it pops up right at the very first entry, right here. So if you click on, so this one, there are all kinds of results. This one is Rule 1, this one's Rule 16, and so on. So right here, you can just click on this link, and it will take you to the home page of this resource. So in the next video, I am going to take you on a tour of this wonderful resource. So please stay with me, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye.